How to send a text message on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Message app. After click on Message app, click on Contact and click on Keyboard if you want to send text message. Here you will see send text message from here. And click on send. You will see messages, and if you want to send picture and files, click on this plus icon and you will see send gallery items. Click send camera. If you want to send gifs, click on gifs, stickers, and you will see and files. If you want to send files, and you will see real-time location contacts, and you will see select file and click on send. You will see after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can send a text message on Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.